beta of p plus 1 comma q divided by t ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. First this equal to this prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ this equal to this prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So automatically this equal to this prove ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ automatic result. So first a proof ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. First you have to prove a prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ proof. So take LHS. So LHS is equal to beta of p comma q plus 1 divided by q. So that equal to 1 divided by q. Beta of p comma q plus 1. Beta of it is m comma n. So ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಐತೆ definition of beta. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ apply the definition of beta. So beta definition ಏನೈತಿ 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 m in terms of p minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to n minus 1 n in terms of q plus 1 minus 1 n minus 1 into dx. Clear? So that equal to 1 divided by q integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1. So 1 minus of x raised to q into dx. Right? So observe the power q p minus 1. Here this is larger than this because of algebraic function same ಇದ್ದಾಗ power ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ q is greater than p minus 1. So q is greater than p minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು first function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು second function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? By using integrating by parts. So what we give? So that equal to 1 divided by q. So integration of 0 to 1 1 minus of x raised to q into x raised to p minus 1 into dx. Use direct form. It is u into v. So 1 divided by q. First function as it is. Integration of second function divided by p minus 1 plus 1 minus integrand of second function as it is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 p minus 1 plus 1 into dx. Sorry, into differentiation of first function d by dx of 1 minus of x raised to q into dx using this part. Okay? So that equal to 1 divided by q integration of 1 minus of x, sorry, integration of into q, it is x raised to p divided by p minus. So limit ಏನಲ್ಲ 0 to 1 ಅಲ್ಲ, there is limit ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. So limit of 0 to 1 minus integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p divided by p differentiation of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1 into differentiation of 1 minus x it is minus into derivative dx. For bracket close. So that equal to 1 divided by q. So upper limit x is 1 upper 1 minus 1 0. Lower limit x into this 0 0. So it is totally 0. So minus into minus it is plus. So q by p. So into integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into dx. Right? Then multiply 1 by q on both sides. We get it? So it is beta of, so that equal to q get cancelled 1 by p into integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into dx. Is banti. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? Apply the definition of concept of beta. We get this equal to this perfect. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Take first and second part to prove the LHS is equal to RHS. So this equal to this ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Take LHS part 1 by q as it is written. It is exactly in the form of beta function beta of m comma n. Apply the definition of beta. So 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1. So 1 minus of x raised to n minus 1. N in terms of q plus 1. Then simplify. You get it is this. You must integrate these parts. So algebraic function same function ಇದ್ದಾಗ power ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. q is greater than 1 minus p minus of 1 ಐತಿ. So ಇದು larger ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು first function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is first function, this is second function because of q is bigger than p minus 1. Because of p and q are both are positive. Mention ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ question ಪೇಪರ್. So apply u into v formula. ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ PUC. First function as it is integration of second function minus, so integrand of second function as it is into differentiation of first function. Clear? Then ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So limit ಏನೈತಿ 0 to 1 ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. So ಇದನ್ನ differentiation of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1 into differentiation of x. 1 minus of x is minus 1. So simplify this, we get it is this. Further than simplification. So next part is, so next, so it is beta of p comma q plus 1. LHS part is q. So that equal to 1 by p. Apply the definition of beta. It is p plus 1 comma q minus 1 plus 1. n plus 1 definition. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled only 2. So is it clear? LHS is equal to RHS. Call this equation 1. Next you want to get to this equal to this proof. So next, beta of p plus 1 comma q divided by p. So that equal to beta of p comma q divided by p plus q. This equal to this अंदर proof ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Take LHS. So that equal to LHS 1 by p. So beta of p plus 1 comma q. So apply the definition of beta. You get it? Apply the definition of beta. So that equal to 1 by p into integration of 0 to 1. So x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to n minus 1 into dx. Clear? So that equal to 1 by p integration of 0 to 1. I left for one such probability. Andre idu p plus q ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. p minus 1 plus 1 ಈಗ ಹೋಗೋದಾ into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into dx. Clear? So that equal to 1 by p. 1 by p. So integration of 0 to 1. I can balance in. So x raised to p minus 1 into x into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into dx. I left for one such probability. Actually ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ p plus q ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ in speed power ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next ex ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 divided by p. So 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into x into dx. ex ಐತಲ್ಲ adding and subtracting minus 1 plus 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Clear? So adding and subtracting ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Adding and subtracting plus 1 minus 1 plus x. First x in the square, the x as it is written, then adding and subtracting 1 plus it is x. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus x is again x, balancing. So this step is very important. So next step is, so that equal to 1 by p integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus x ಐತಿ minus count ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ 1 minus of x ಬರ್ತದೆ. So this step is very important. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಷ್ಟು ಪೂರ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ 1 minus of x ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that equal to multiply this 1 divided by p. So 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1. 1 into that term dx minus plus into minus minus integration of 0 to 1 by p. Integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1 into plus into minus it is minus. So into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into 1 minus of x into dx. Here. So then simplify this. So LHS part, it is a beta of p plus 1 comma q divided by p. So that equal to 1 by p. Apply the definition of beta. So it is integration of 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1 into 1 minus of x raised to q minus 1 into derivative dx minus of 1 by p. So into 0 to 1 x raised to p minus 1 into, if the bases are same, adding the powers plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 1 minus of x raised to q into dx. Clear? Then use the definition. So beta of p plus 1 comma q divided by p. So So that equal to 1 by p integration of 0 sorry beta derivation beta of p comma q